Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing two dividend paying stocks that are, in my opinion, relatively safe. Before you invest in any security stocks, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what has worked for me, what I have in my personal portfolio, and what I will continue to keep buying. So with that said, I will be going over two companies that are a staple in my portfolio that I will continue to buy, whether it's up or down. If it's down, I will continue to buy more and more. So let's get started. Coca-Cola. Everybody's heard of Coca-Cola, the dividend king. Right now, it is trading about 0.5% today. It's at $60.78 a share. If you don't have Coca-Cola in your portfolio, it is one you should add and continue to keep buying. The reason I say that is this company has been around for a very, very long time. Everybody's familiar with Coca-Cola worldwide. Coca-Cola has been around longer than I've been around, and it'll continue to be around long after I'm gone. So, and if you look at the maximum when it started trading back in like June 22nd, 1984 at $1.24 a share. I'm sure everybody wished they would have got in at that time, but you can see this is the company that I'm really bullish on because it's a slow, steady growth, constantly going up, up, up. Obviously, you're going to have your downs, ups and downs, but if you look at it on a year-to-year basis, 5-year, 10-year, it's a constant growth. And now we're at our continual price of over $60 a share. And that is with, obvious stock splits, share splits. But on top of the steady growth, they also offer a pretty respectable dividend payout at 3.19%. And that's paid quarterly. So not only do you, when you own the stock, the price will slowly appreciate. I think 5 to 10 years, that'll be trading close to $65, $70, and that roughly in that range, 60 to 70. And if you hold it, you can receive those dividend payouts on top of it. So this is why I say this stock is a must in your portfolio if you don't have it already. Then you can see it's just steady. We had one huge drop back in 2020 when it dropped to $38.30, but that was around the pandemic time. And a lot of people panic when the stock market dips a little or there's a pandemic or something going economically that makes the price of stock fall. That's the time I buy. That's when I go all in, jump in, throw all my money in, because this is where you're going to make money. That's what Warren Buffett has said. Put your money in when everybody's scared. Because if you would have got in at $38 a share, it bounced all the way back. Now look, 2-3 years later, we're back up at the $60 range. Plus, you'd be getting more shares for the same amount of money. So if you want to make money, keep an eye on dividend stocks, blue chip collars like Coca-Cola, and then keep an eye on the range. This trades, I've held this stock for a very long time, and it averages $58, $59, $60. It doesn't really fluctuate too much in the day-to-day, but if it does, if you ever see it dip like this, like it did back in 2020, I would jump all over it. So, but with that said, Coca-Cola, I can't be bullish enough. But another company I want to pull up, BMY, Bristol Myers. This company has been around a very long time as well. They're much like Coca-Cola. If you look at they have more of a swing dip than Coca-Cola. But if you look at the trajectory, they started back in July 1984. So that company's been around a long time. They're a pharmaceutical company. And you can see it's just steady growth, steady growth. Something major here in 2000s. Obviously, we had that economic issue in 2000, made it drop. But this is where you buy. And then you'll see if you guys are just consistent, add these to your portfolio and be consistent. Consistency is key to raising your portfolio. And now it's been trading in the $50, $60 range, much like Coca-Cola. So, and these guys pay out a nice, what is that? 4.64% dividend on top of it. So I've held this company in my portfolio for several years now, and I do not plan on selling, if ever or anytime soon. This has been key. These two companies, if you don't have them in your portfolio, go ahead and add them. Buy. But please do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what has worked for me. You're welcome to follow along. Please subscribe, and we'll go over more companies. We'll go over breaking news in the stock market. Please subscribe. And on the next one, I will have 2 more dividend paying stocks that I suggest you add to your portfolio. So thank you guys for watching.